Do you like to watch movies about robots? We think that only in movies we see and your dreams come true to see the real robot and you love. Do you know that in the world we live in, we are not alone? You are thinking wrong about what I thought. Robot? That's true. The ones we see in movies and see in person today. There are scientists and inventors who have created a mysterious robot. Because of the technologies that are emerging now, they are evolving more and more. But how do they do it? If we include the technologies that were invented earlier than the robot cannot be invented without them. What is this? Today we will find out one by one and explain why a robot is necessary in our time today. They cannot think without this technology. Robots use many technologies, including artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, and computer vision. These technologies allow robots to learn, adapt, and improve their performance over time. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is used in robots to enable them to perceive their environment, make decisions autonomously, learn from experience, and perform complex tasks without explicit programming, often through techniques like machine learning and computer vision, allowing robots to navigate, recognize objects, and adapt to changing situations in real time, making them more versatile and efficient across various industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics. We have some examples of AI in robotics. First, industrial robots. Using computer vision to inspect products for defects on a production line, automatically adjusting assembly processes based on real-time data. Second, autonomous vehicles. Navigating roads and making driving decisions using sensor data and AI algorithms. Third, medical robots, assisting surgeons with precise movements and real-time tissue analysis during surgery. Fourth, service robots, cleaning robots that map a room and navigate around obstacles, or customer service robots that understand and respond to customer inquiries. Number 2. Machine learning, ML. In robotics, machine learning is primarily used to enable robots to learn from data, allowing them to perform complex tasks like object manipulation, navigation, and motion control with greater precision and adaptability by analyzing sensor data and adapting their actions based on the information gathered without explicit programming for every scenario. Key techniques include reinforcement learning, imitation learning, and supervised learning. Other examples include, first, object recognition. Robots using computer vision to identify and classify objects in their environment, like a robotic arm picking up specific items on a production line. Second, gesture recognition. Robots learning to interpret human hand movements to respond accordingly, like a service robot understanding hand gestures for commands. Third, facial recognition. Identifying people based on their facial features, used in security robots or customer service applications. Fourth, adaptive manipulation. Robots adjusting their grip force depending on the object they are holding, learned through data on different object textures. There are other technologies added to the robot to make it useful. Edge computing. Growth in edge computing will further make deploying IoT solutions easier. Think of it as the light version of a data center. For example, whereas traditional machine vision requires separate camera modules and processing units, edge computing means the camera module can pre-process data and offload most of its processing burden to the edge of the network. This is particularly helpful for robots that use AI, which depends on large volumes of data being processed in real time. Computation is sped up, which in turn improves efficiency and time to decision. Complex event processing, CEP. Complex event processing, CEP, combines data from multiple streaming sources to infer a more complex event with the goal of responding to the event as quickly as possible. An event is described as a change of state. One or more events combine to define a complex event. For example, the deployment of an airbag in a car is a complex event based in the data from multiple sensors in real time. This idea is used in robotics example, event processing, in autonomous robot programming. Transfer learning. Transfer learning is a technique that reuses knowledge gained from solving one problem and reapplies it in solving a related problem. For example, the model used for identifying an apple may be used to identify an orange. Transfer learning reuses a pre-trained model on another related problem for image recognition. Only the final layers of the new model are trained, which is relatively cheaper and less time-consuming. Linear actuators. Various types of linear actuators move in and out instead of by spinning, and often have quicker direction changes, particularly when very large forces are needed, such as with industrial robotics. They are typically powered by compressed and oxidized air pneumatic actuator or an oil hydraulic actuator. Linear actuators can also be powered by electricity, which usually consists of a motor and a lead screw. Another common type is a mechanical linear actuator, such as a rack and pinion on a car. The integration of these technologies has significantly enhanced the design and functionality of robots, enabling them to perform a wide range of tasks across various industries, from manufacturing to healthcare and beyond. As technological advancements continue, we can expect robots to become increasingly intelligent, versatile, and capable of collaborating with humans in more complex environments. The future of robotics holds immense potential, promising innovations that could reshape how we live and work. The technology I mentioned that was put into the robot is just a way for inventors and scientists to create a mysterious robot that is like a human being and how to move and think. We can't get it out of our minds that one day in the future, they will be able to mix in our everyday life, if not now or in the next generation.